Welcome to Gold Rush Crypto Daily Channel, your go-to source for in-depth analysis and the latest news on the crypto space, from XRP to Bitcoin and beyond. I'm here to break down what matters in the world of cryptocurrency, and today, we're touching on one of the hottest topics in the crypto community: how the US election may alter the path of the Ripple case and impact the future of digital currency. Make sure to subscribe for more insights, because this is a story you don't want to miss. Could a change in the US leadership mean an end to Ripple's legal issues? Could it bring a seismic shift for XRP's market value and Bitcoin's momentum? In today's video, we'll look at each candidate's stance, examine Ripple's current standing in the SEC case, and speculate on the ripple effects, no pun intended, that this election could have. Stick around till the end because I'll share my expert opinion on what these potential scenarios could mean for the future of your investments. 1. Ripple case background and its importance. To set the stage, let's go over where Ripple stands in its ongoing legal battle. As many of you know, the SEC has been locked in a legal standoff with Ripple Labs, alleging that XRP, Ripple's native currency, is an unregistered security. This has had XRP on a bit of a roller coaster, and for good reason. The outcome could set a precedent impacting not only Ripple but other crypto assets in the US. So far, Ripple has won partial victories, yet the SEC hasn't backed down, keeping the case, and by extension, XRP's fate, uncertain. 2. Election factor. Why it matters to crypto markets now. Here's where things get interesting. In the coming election, there's potential for either Vice President Kamala Harris or former President Donald Trump to become the deciding influence on how the SEC handles crypto regulation. Trump has made no secret of his dislike for current SEC Chair Gary Gensler, saying he would replace him if elected. And that could mean significant changes in the way the SEC pursues crypto cases. Meanwhile, Harris, with her party's general stance on crypto, might keep things as they are, potentially meaning more scrutiny for XRP and Bitcoin. Quick break here. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for the latest crypto news. Your support helps me bring you timely updates and insights. 3. XRP's market resilience and election uncertainty. One of the striking elements here is XRP's resilience. Despite the legal clouds, XRP's value has remained relatively strong, even climbing during favorable court moments. In fact, if Trump were to win, the possibility of replacing Gensler could make investors more optimistic about XRP's future. On the other hand, a Harris administration might mean additional roadblocks for Ripple, keeping the pressure on its regulatory compliance. This difference in approach could give XRP an advantage or a challenge depending on who comes into power. From an investor's perspective, this is a crucial moment. Having a favorable administration could be a boon for XRP holders, as regulatory clarity is one of the biggest hurdles for crypto growth in the US. The market might see a more favorable stance on crypto regulation as a green light for broader institutional investment. 4. Bitcoin and broader crypto market impact. Now, this isn't just about XRP. Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, could also see a major impact. With rising concerns about inflation and currency stability, Bitcoin's appeal has grown as a decentralized hedge. The election outcome could sway public sentiment and market stability, both of which play a big role in Bitcoin's price movement. For example, Trump has voiced skepticism about the Fed's approach to inflation, suggesting a more crypto-friendly economic environment could arise if he's elected. This could attract more mainstream investors to Bitcoin as a safeguard against inflation. In my view, a more crypto-friendly administration would likely drive Bitcoin to new heights as both an investment and a form of digital gold. The volatility we're seeing now could stabilize if institutional investors feel they're navigating a supportive regulatory landscape. 5. Speculation and key scenarios. Let's look at potential scenarios. In a Trump-WN scenario, we'd likely see the SEC take a more lenient approach on Ripple and possibly other crypto-related cases. This would likely boost XRP's value and possibly send Bitcoin surging due to increased institutional confidence. Meanwhile, a Harris administration could mean a slower and more cautious approach. We might even see new policies aimed at tightening the rules on cryptocurrencies and exchanges, potentially impacting market sentiment. Personally, I think either path will bring unique challenges and opportunities for investors. A Trump victory might accelerate crypto adoption in the US, while a Harris-led government could provide a more stable but possibly restrictive environment. Either way, we'll see crypto play an unprecedented role in shaping economic policy. If you're as invested in this journey as I am, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for updates on XRP, Bitcoin, and all things crypto. I'll be keeping you informed every step of the way. 6. Market reactions and predictions. What does the current market sentiment tell us? The markets appear to be holding their breath. XRP hovers below critical resistance levels, and Bitcoin shows signs of pressure from regulatory uncertainty. Should Trump take office, the response might be immediate, as the market rallies on the potential of relaxed regulations. However, the initial caution under a Harris administration might cool investor enthusiasm until more clarity on regulatory policy emerges. Here's where strategic thinking comes in. It might be a good time to assess your crypto portfolio, balancing between assets that might benefit from volatility and others that could provide stability. Diversification might be key to weathering any potential shifts in the regulatory landscape. 7. Closing thoughts on the road ahead. Whichever way the election swings, one thing is clear: the legal environment for crypto is at a crossroads. The decisions made in the coming months will likely influence not only the Ripple case but also how future cases are handled. Whether we're headed toward regulatory clarity or further scrutiny, it's a transformative time for crypto investors. And for XRP and Bitcoin enthusiasts alike, the horizon is filled with both challenges and potential. Thank you for tuning in today to Gold Rush Crypto Daily Channel. Remember, this channel is here to give you timely updates, insights, and a bit of that insider edge you need to navigate the crypto market. So, don't forget to check out my other videos for more in-depth analysis and predictions. As always, this content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Make sure to do your research or consult a professional before making any financial decisions.